Deep within the heart of the rainforest, a hidden world unfolds. It is a world where beauty and danger intertwine. A world dominated by a master architect of nature, the Golden Orb Weaver spider. The Golden Weaver is more than just a creepy creature. Its intricate webs, woven with silk spun from its abdomen, are marvels of engineering. Each strand is a testament to its incredible precision and strength. But the web is more than just a beautiful tapestry. It is a deadly trap. When an unsuspecting insect flies into the web, it becomes entangled in the sticky silk. The spider, sensing the vibrations, quickly moves to capture its prey. The Golden Orb Weaver possesses remarkable vision. Its eyes allows it to detect even the slightest movements in its webs, ensuring that no prey escapes. Beyond its hunting prowess, the Golden Orb Weaver has a complex social life. Males and females engage in elaborate courtship rituals, even involving intricate dances and the exchange of gifts. After mating, the female Golden Orb Weaver creates a special nursery web where she lays her eggs. She then guards the eggs until they hatch, providing her offspring with protection and sustenance. Golden Orb Weavers are patient hunters. They wait quietly in the center of their webs, ready to pounce onto any unsuspecting prey that gets caught. Their webs are so sticky that even large insects can't escape. These spiders play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling the populations of insects. So, the next time you see a beautiful web, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creatures that created it.